Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back. It's Zach. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the best aftershave product that you can buy. Whether you are a male or a female, you likely shave either your face or other extremities of your body like the legs. No matter what part of your body or face you are shaving, this is the great product that's perfect to put on right after you shave to help heal the skin and not leave redness. Little hint, it's not even an aftershave. Let's jump into it. Like many of you, I have used a couple of different aftershaves previously, and all of them are usually latent in perfume, especially for men's. Men's aftershave always has cologne in it, which I'll admit it does smell really, really nice, but I just feel like my skin is a little bit aggravated and red after using it, and I get those bumps, so clearly it's not doing the best job. I've taken my skincare research and my own experience with different skincare ingredients and tried to implement those into giving the best aftershave product. I skipped out on aftershave and instead I started to use products that were just straight up moisturizers. They weren't trying to target any skin benefits. They weren't trying to treat really anything on the skin. They were just a basic moisturizer like the one from The Ordinary or even the one from CeraVe. Those seemed to do a pretty good job. They definitely helped calm the skin after shaving because shaving is pretty aggravating. Essentially, when you are shaving your face or your body, you also are exfoliating. And I've noticed since I started my tretinoin journey that I'll even see some white flakes or skin come off when I'm shaving now because that top layer is so vulnerable. So it's really exfoliating your skin as it shaves too. I needed something that not only would heal the skin, but that would calm the skin too. And that's where I turned to aloe vera. Aloe vera is commonly used for people after a sunburn because it's very soothing, calming, and healing on the skin. But what many people don't know is that aloe vera is found in a lot of different skincare products that are not related to after a sunburn. Also, a lot of sunburn aloe vera lotions and creams are fragrance containing to try to make them smell more like aloe. That can also irritate the skin. While I was in the drugstore at CVS, I found a very affordable yet very effective aloe vera moisturizing gel that does not have fragrance and it doesn't have any irritants in it. I thought this would be great to help calm my skin in certain areas, but what I realized is that my skin was so soft and supple and smooth if I used this after shaving. This is the CVS Health Aloe Vera Moisturizing Gel. This stuff is awesome. So it says on it that it soothes, cools, and moisturizes the skin. It helps prevent drying and peeling, which you really want after you're shaving because like I said, it does mechanically exfoliate your skin. And it also is enriched with vitamin E, which is going to be softening and nourishing on your skin. Turning over the label and reading the ingredients, as one of my favorite YouTubers, Cassandra, says, we turn and learn, and that's exactly what you do. So it says these great things on the front, but we're gonna turn and learn the back. It also does say that it is phthalate and paraben free. You guys know, or maybe if you're new here and you don't know, parabens don't bother me. I like preservatives in my skincare. Parabens are very well studied. I have a video that talks about skincare myths. Check that up there. So the ingredients list is pretty basic and easy to follow. It says on the back that this cools and soothes sunburns, minor skin irritations, and abrasions. An abrasion is kind of like shaving. It says this blend of aloe vera gel with vitamin E helps restore moisture to damaged skin and helps prevent drying and peeling. That's perfect. Other ingredients in here that this has is things that help with the viscosity of the product and then preservatives. You get 6 ounces of product, which is a good amount. This retails for under $4, $3.79. It is dye-free, it doesn't have any colors, doesn't have any fragrance. It's just simply soothing aloe vera for your skin. After I shave, I love to put this right onto the skin, followed up with a moisturizer, and then whatever else I use. If it's the morning, I go in with my sunscreen. If it's the night, I go in with my tropical vitamin A. I find that on nights or mornings that I am shaving, I really don't want to put on direct acids, exfoliating acids like alpha hydroxy acid, because during that shaving process, like I said, you have kind of already exfoliated your skin, so you don't want to overdo it and irritate your skin. Even if you're not shaving, let's say you are sunburnt, which you guys know you need to wear sunscreen. Overall, I would totally recommend this to honestly anybody, whether you're using it for aftershave or after a sunburn, or if your skin's just irritated from anything. Aloe is really good at just calming the skin in general. Target also has a similar product. Target's product is also very affordable. It's from the Up and Up brand. Just make sure that it's dye-free, so it's not green. It's just a clear, and then fragrance-free, and that's going to be the least irritating as possible. I know people have been talking that fragrance isn't an issue unless you're allergic to it or sensitized to it. While that is true, there's still a risk that you could become sensitized to it. Leave it out if you can, to be honest. So like I said, this is a great product. Let me know in the comments down below if you have used this before or if you're gonna check it out. I have used, as a guy in the past, I've used the Nivea Post-Men's Shaving Balm, and to be honest, right now what I do with this product is I just use it on my arms, and if you're going out on a date night and you have your arm wrapped around your partner, they're gonna smell it. But to be honest, I just use cologne to smell nice. And you know, when I did put this on my face and neck after shaving in the past, you don't really smell it that long. I feel like it dissipates within like a half an hour to an hour. This one did work well, and it does say that it's for sensitive skin, but it is heavily fragranced. And this, you get 3.3 ounces, so pretty much half of the CVS, and is definitely pricier. I think like 15 bucks or something. So you can't go wrong with this. It's affordable, it works well, and it's easily accessible at your local drugstore. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos from me, and let me know in the comments down below your experience and if you're going to pick up this aloe vera. Bye.